Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to read a poem, First Day at School. In this poem, there is a boy in the picture, and this boy is going first day to the school. This is his first day, and he is going to school. He's thinking. The school is new to him. He doesn't know the students of the school. So, this is the first day, and there are many questions coming in his mind. So he's thinking, he's asking to himself, what will be there in the school? So, what is coming into his mind? Let's read in these lines. He's thinking, I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. Theirs means other students. His drawing is good, but he's thinking his drawing will be as good as other students, so for not. Other students' drawing would be good. So he is comparing, he is thinking that his drawing will be as good as other students or not. I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. You know, children, when new children come in the school, teachers introduce the new children to you. And when you get time in the recess time, in the lunch time or after school or any spare time, then you go and talk to that new child. You introduce yourself and you be friendly with the new child. But he is wondering, when he will go into the class, the children will be they will like him or not, or they will like him, or they will be friendly with him or not, or they will just look at him continuously for long time. Stares means to look continuously for long time. देखते जा रहे हैं, फ्रेंडली नहीं हो रहे हैं, बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. This is what he is thinking. He is thinking when he will go into the class, the children will like him or not, or they will just full of continuously, they will stare at him. They will be friendly or not, or they will just look at him continuously and they will not talk to him. Okay, that thing is coming into his mind. Next, I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. He's thinking my teacher will be like my mummy or my grandmother or not. Gran means grandmother. My teacher will be like my mummy or grandmother, or she will be different. Means she will be as caring as my mummy or my grandmother, or she will be a strict teacher. She will come to the class, she will teach and she will go. She will not be friendly, she will not talk to students, and she will just teach and leave the class. She will go away. No. Teachers are good, na? No, teachers are not like this. So that is coming into his mind. The teacher will be like mom or gran, or she will be different. Okay. Next, I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. He's thinking my puppy is at home, my dog's baby is puppy, na? He is at home and I am here in the school. First day I have come out of the house. He must be missing me. He will be missing me or not. He will look around and find me or not. Or he will just sit and enjoy. He will be thinking about me or not. He will miss me or not. He will find me in the house or not, or he will just sit somewhere and sleep and enjoy. This is what it's coming in his mind. So here are some new words. Wonder means to ask something to yourself. Okay. Drawing means to draw anything, to sketch anything with the help of pencil. Stares means to look continuously for a long time to someone. Gran means grandmother. Puppy is the baby of a dog. So these are the new words you learn, read. Okay? And children, you have to read this poem once, twice, thrice, as many times as you can and learn. Okay, children? Bye-bye. And I'm going to post the next video in this class only for the copy work. Do watch that video, children. Do not miss that. Okay? Bye-bye.